So this is a clapper latch. There. So you got your water seat and your air seat. That's your intermediate chamber. When this valve sets up, this rubber will go, this part here will touch the water seat, and then this part here will touch the air seat. So when this is set, as you take your bar and put it through there, you'll pull that intermediate chamber up like that, and this will latch. When the valve goes to trip, it loses air pressure, this whole assembly will raise up inside the valve, and this catch will hit an adjustment screw on the faceplate of the valve, and as this rises up and it hits that, it'll open that up and allow the valve to trip. The reason we're replacing this is because this little tab right there that catches that spring rusted off, and the clapper would no longer spring up and catch. So it's a Viking dry pipe valve.